Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can activate Bank of America debit card. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, log in into the Bank of America application. Once you're logged in, you will see this kind of interface. From your account tab, you have to select your account. So once you select your account, you will see this kind of interface where you can find all of your recent transactions. So to activate your card, you have to scroll all the way to the end, and at the very end under account management, there you have an option as debit card settings. So you have to tap on that option. So if you have not activated your debit card, you will see this kind of interface. There is an option as activate. So tap on the activate button. Now you have to enter your credit card number, enter your card expiration date and your card security code. And once you do that, and once your card number is verified, your card will be activated on Bank of America. So that's it. That's how you can activate your Bank of America debit card. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.